16,000 tons of Dungeness crab are hauled in by Oregon fishermen each year, with a total value of up to $72 million. Let's explore the process of catching this special crab. This is one of the largest and most valuable crab fisheries in the United States. Dungeness crabs are usually large, with wide shells and long legs, providing more meat compared to many other types of crab. Dungeness crab is rich in protein, omega-3 and important minerals. It often appears on the menus of high-end seafood restaurants, adding luxury and class to the meal. Dungeness crab meat has a natural sweet taste, is tender and rich, especially the golden delicious crab roe. These boats are specially equipped with crab pots or traps designed to be effective in catching Dungeness crabs while reducing the bycatch of other species. The pots or traps, resembling large cages, are usually made of metal or mesh and baited with fish or other attractants to lure the crabs inside. The specific target is Dungeness crabs. The traps are designed with entrances that allow larger crabs to enter, while preventing smaller ones or undersized crabs from getting in when the fishing season begins. Fishing boats deploy the crab traps in specific locations in the ocean where Dungeness crab populations are most abundant. After the nets or traps are set in place, they undergo a soaking period in the ocean to give the crabs time to find the bait and enter the traps. The best time is early mornings or late afternoon, when crabs are most active, from 4 a.m. to 24 hours. After the soaking period has passed, the fishing boats return to the deployment location to retrieve the traps. This involves hauling the pots or traps back to the surface using specialized equipment on the fishing boat. The fishing crew carefully opens the traps to access the caught Dungeness crabs. And the crabs are removed from the traps and placed on large trays or sorting tables on the deck of the boat. These trays are usually designed to hold a significant amount of crabs, making it easier for the crew to sort and handle the catch. On the trays, Dungeness crabs are sorted and based on various factors such as size, gender and quality. The caught crabs are then sorted on the boat, with smaller or non-target crabs often being released back into the sea to comply with size and species regulations. Live well tanks are specialized spaces designed to hold and preserve live Dungeness crabs after they're caught. These spaces are usually filled with seawater to provide the crabs with the necessary environment to survive. The water is circulated to ensure oxygen and maintain the proper temperature for the crabs. Upon arrival at the processing facility, Dungeness crabs undergo sorting and processing before being prepared for the market. Workers at the processing facility manually sort the crabs based on size, weight, and other quality criteria. Dungeness crabs are pre-washed with clean water to remove mud and large impurities. Next, the crabs are boiled in hot water to cook them. The boiling time usually ranges from 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of crab. The high-temperature boiling process helps kill any remaining harmful bacteria and microorganisms after the cleaning step. After boiling, the crabs are quickly cooled to prevent bacterial growth and keep the crab meat fresh. All stages are automated with advanced machinery and technology. Skilled workers will then proceed to remove the crab shells and extract the meat. Workers need to be able to check the quality of the crab meat after shelling, ensuring no shell fragments remain and the meat remains standard. The crab meat, once extracted, will be packed into suitable packaging. This process often includes vacuum sealing to preserve the crab meat for longer. Ensure each package of crab has a uniform weight and meets the set standards. Before storing the product, a final inspection is carried out to ensure all packages meet quality and safety requirements. Crabs hold a special place in the seafood world, known for their impressive size, unique appearance, and delicious meat. If you're curious to learn about the processing of other foods and production lines, watch our next video in the series here. Today, we have prepared an extremely attractive video. As we explore the world of modern chicken processing plants and how farmers are making a staggering $200 million from the industry. Don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they can also become our audience. Have you ever wondered which country consumes the most rabbit meat globally? Watch the video to find out this fascinating answer. The rabbit slaughter process at the modern facility is carried out quickly and effectively. It must be said that advanced technology has brought about significant improvements in modern rabbit meat management and preparation. Rabbit meat is a dish with a unique flavor and is highly appreciated for its nutritional value with a delicate flavor and lower fat content compared to other poultry and livestock. To my knowledge, the Czech Republic is the world's largest consumer of rabbit meat with an average of 3.72 kilograms of rabbit meat per person. Would you like to own a fur coat made from rabbit fur? Rabbit fur is carefully selected to ensure the highest quality. Skilled artisans, from handling rabbit fur to meticulous tailoring, create unique handmade masterpieces. Meticulous attention to detail and craftsmanship ensure a perfect and sophisticated appearance alongside the beauty of a rabbit fur coat. Next, we'll see how a duck meat processing plant works from start to finish. The ducks will have their feathers removed and cleaned before being put on a line to move to the next process. The duck's internal organs here have been completely removed. The organ donation package contains several valuable organs. Those parts are carefully processed before being put onto the market. Shredding and packaging processes, all efficiently supported by modern technology. Thanks to technology, the preparation and cutting process has become very fast. Duck meat is recognized as delicious and nutritious because of its high fat and protein content, making it a rich source of iron. Anyone who has ever eaten duck meat can write a comment. To the chicken processing factory. Input chickens are quality chicken breeds, raised in a closed, technically correct cage system. Now we see how these chickens are processed and marketed from the factory. The chicken is taken out of the box, and a worker uses a hook to hang the chicken's legs upside down. As you can see, next the chicken goes through a conveyor belt to remove internal organs as well as feathers. The chicken is moved to the internal and external cleaning stage with a low-pressure nozzle. Clean chickens are transferred to a room where the temperature is reduced with cold air to reduce impurity contamination. Chicken is cut into parts according to need. Then tightly packaged safely and hygienically. Commercial chicken is stored at cold temperatures, so quality is guaranteed to consumers. Chicken is one of the most commonly consumed foods worldwide. Many other preparation and usage methods are depending on culture, taste, and preferences. Next, the exciting journey from peanut to spreading your jar. To produce a 500-gram jar of peanut butter, about 1,100 peanuts or 565 grams are needed. These peanuts undergo hot air roasting at a temperature of 204 degrees Celsius. In 1 hour, more than 3,600 kilograms of peanuts are roasted to perfection, turning from white to light brown. After roasting, the peanuts are immediately transferred to the cooling device. Next, the peanut encounters the blanching machine. This machine skillfully removes the outer shell. The shell of the peanut can produce a bitter taste, so the shell is removed. At this time, additional ingredients are added: salt, sugar. They are ground into a paste. Contrary to what one might think, peanut butter contains no artificial colors, sweeteners, or preservatives. Finally, the peanut butter is jarred. The jars are sealed, and an aluminum gasket on the lid creates an airtight seal when heated, ensuring freshness. When unopened, these jars of peanut butter can stay fresh for up to a year.
Hey, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, click the like button and subscribe. And of course, if you have any comments, you know where to leave them, just below. Okay, I hope to see you again in tomorrow's next great adventure.